Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to finish off our game and build our game. So, the first thing which I would like to tell you is we are going to have an error when we play our first level, and that is because we don't have any ammo text in our scene. So, to fix that, I would like to comment this line in the player script, that is ammo text.text1, and in the next scene I want to uh, click on this canvas, and in the ammo text I want just to put it this way: ammo colon 10 out of 10. Even though we did it, I just want to tell you, so that way the error won't be there. And the second thing is we are going to start off going to the next level. So what we do is, once we collect all the coins, the goal will appear, so we have to enter that goal, and once we enter that goal we have to go to the next level. So we are going to write that code to go to the next level instead of printing out you win. So let's go to our script, and we are going to write public int current scene, and that's it. And down here in the onTrigger function, instead of writing this print statement, I would write scene manager dot load scene current plus 1, and once we write that, we will be able to go to the next level. And second thing, to make this work, we have to put this current scene variable over here. So we have to write current scene 1 in the first level, and in the second level, which is main 1, we have to write 2 over here. So after writing that, it will work, but we will have an error, but I'll show you how it would be from start. So start menu, so I will click on start. Don't worry about this lighting up, because it's just how it works in Unity editor. In the exe file we'll have a proper lighting and all, so no need to worry about that. So once we collect all the coins, we can enter the goal and we'll go to the next level. I'll try to hit the enemy. Missed it. So just don't worry about that lighting and all. It shouldn't be a problem. It's just how Unity manages stuff. This coin, and that one is just near that obstacle. I overshot it. So that one coin is creating all the problems. I think I should make it more easy for myself. So I'll go to main one. The two scenes have worked. Let's just make sure this one works. So I will just put it over here, so I don't need to collect that coin while dodging the obstacle. So let's collect this one. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one, I'll try to shoot the enemy. No, one last bullet, and again I missed it. Okay, the goal has appeared. Let's just dodge this point. Oh, this obstacle seems to be really difficult. And I've entered the goal. Yes, finally. So here we get an error that 3 couldn't be loaded because it has not been added to the build settings, and that is very true. So to make sure that error doesn't come, we'll just write a if condition. So if current scene is less than 2, then only enter this statement, then only just execute this statement. So if it is less than 2, so this is the 2, this is the second one according to the build index. So this is the second one, and once we enter that scene or the goal, we will not execute this because 2 less than 2 is false, so we won't enter this statement and the error would be gone. So that's it for this. So we'll just save scenes and save project. We'll go to build settings, and your target platform could be Windows, Linux or Mac. If you're using Mac, you can put up Mac. So I click on Windows and I will leave everything as it is, and I will click on build. I will create a folder and call it game, so it should be outside the assets folder, and I'll just select that folder. So just select that and select folder, and it will start building the game. So it's, don't worry whatever happens at the background, it's just normal. So it will go to that folder where I had created the game, and if you click on game, you will get these settings. So I want to use the screen 1920 into 1080, and the graphics quality could be any. Let's keep it at ultra, and the display one is the monitor. So let's click on play. So this is how it would be. In personal edition you can remove all those. So let's click on start, and I told you the lighting would be fine, and that's how it is. So let's click on, not click on, let's take all the coins. So let's collect all the coins. One more. Let's enter the goal. Let's try to shoot it out. I hope I hit it this time at least. No. Okay, let's just collect these coins. So 3 more. Miss the target. 1, 2. The third one is over here. And the fourth one. No. And this is it. We are one obstacle away from completing the game. My speed is a little slow, so I need to accelerate myself. I'll try to accelerate as much as possible. Let's go till here, and here we go. Go, go. It's too slow. No, it's just too slow. I don't know why I'm having this problem. Yes, no. I couldn't dodge the enemy. I regret not shooting it properly. So let's get there. No. But anyhow, I can just say that the game works fine. I'm just not able to cross that obstacle. If it is making things difficult for you, you can just decrease the time period for how long the animation should be. Like here I'm doing it for a minute. You can keep it at 1 minute. I'm sorry, it's not a minute, it's a second. Somehow I completed it and nothing would happen. You can make a pop-up text over here. So you can make a text pop-up over here once we enter that. So let's switch off everything, and it says build completed with a result of succeeded, and that's great. So that's it for this series. So we have played with only cubes and whatever we had over here. I didn't use other models. So we have worked with only simple models like cube and just spheres, cylinders and all. We used the UI text. Then we have played with prefabs. Then we did an animation. So we played with a lot of collisions. Did a bit of scripting as well. Wrote I think we wrote pretty much 5 scripts. So yeah, so you can do whatever you have learned over here. You can create a first person shooter as well. Like, instead of using this cube, you can put up a human or a capsule. So you can create 3D object capsule over here, and you can just create a gun over here. So you can 3D object and just put it to the capsule. So I'll just show it really quickly how you can do things. So it would be like this, and I'll move it near the capsule. So you can make it look this way. So this is how it would be. So this with the guns and all. So it's very easy. It depends on how you work with things. And the scripting, it's all about just accessing these properties. Yes, there could be other things as well, because there are just too many things you can just play with around. And don't forget to use the assets. So you can go to the assets menu, import package. If you have installed standard assets, you will get these. If not, you can go to the asset store and just install them. So in the assets, import package. So we can create let's just take anything. Let's just take an environment. So it will show this way, decompressing as everything and all. And once it decompresses everything, it will show you this way, import Unity package, and you can click on import. So you can put water. There are some realistic water as well, which you can get it for free. It's been created by Unity. So once you do all that, you can just make your own game. I have my links, so it's in the description below. So there are 5 games, one of which is VR, and the others are normal mobile games which you can play on Google Play Store on Android devices. So once it imports all these, you can just put it over here. You can just drag and drop into the game, and there are just too many things you can work with. But I think it's very easy to do the Unity game development over here, because it's mostly about using all these variables and all, just writing very simple bits of code to make looks the game look good. So I think we have it. So it would just import the standard assets. So let's go to environment, and in this water, go to prefabs, and you will have this water pro daytime. So if you click on play, look, we have this water. So yeah, it's just not looking great, but now I'm just steady over here. So you can see how the water waves and all, it's all animated and all. So it looks great. You can use all these. You have trees as well. So terrains, speed trees, so broadleaf and all. You can use all these things, and you can do simply amazing stuff. You can make really good games. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, you can write it in the comments below for each of the videos. If you felt that this is not making sense to me, then you can write it down in the comments. I will try to answer it as quickly as possible. And that's it. So please like this video and subscribe. So thank you. Bye.